Tactical gloves are one of the most important gears that you should wear when doing any outdoor activities, like shooting and hiking. The best tactical gloves for cold weather provide a high level of protection from all elements, including the freezing cold. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical gloves for cold weather on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tactile Touchscreen Motorcycle Full Finger Gloves. The Tactile Full Finger Gloves are another good pair for self-defense in cold weather. These gloves provide hard knuckle guards with flexible neoprene joints to provide an unrestricted range of motion. I appreciate how the gloves fit snugly on my hands. The strap is adjustable, so users can customize the fit for maximum comfort. The seams are double-stitched all throughout, so I think these gloves can last long in any condition. What I like best is the reinforced palm because it's grippy on any surface and ideal for mountain climbing and driving. The thumb and middle fingers are touchscreen compatible, so operating my phone while wearing these gloves isn't a problem. Moreover, I love the microfiber material as it feels warm and dries fast after getting wet in the rain. I tried using these gloves in cold weather, and this pair didn't falter. My hands stayed warm while I did all the heavy work without seeing any rips and tears. Best of all, I didn't notice any sweat even when the humidity was high. My only complaint is the chemical smell of the product. It's not a huge problem, and the scent should go away after some time, but buyers with sensitive noses should keep this in mind. Number 2. Free2 Touchscreen Tactical Gloves. This particular Free2 model offers the best touchscreen compatibility among the brand's product lines. The gloves offer a lot of sensitivity in the thumb and trigger fingers, where people mostly operate the screen. There's only one layer of material on the palm, so I can feel the gun's trigger very closely. I noticed that the trigger and middle fingers bend because of the segmented design, perfect for the maximum operation of a gun. With the silicone palm, nothing has slipped through my fingers. These gloves do hold up well in cold weather. They're also easy to wear and remove with the pull tabs at the bottom. More importantly, the knuckle area has a sort of neoprene material integrated to provide extra protection from bruises and abrasions in the field. There are no worries about sizing issues because the product provides a refund or replacement within 30 days after purchase. I bought these gloves for shooting, and I'm pleased that they're snug and comfortable to wear. Also, they're not that bulky, so I can still feel the things in my pockets. My only complaint is that the size runs a little large. I recommend buyers get a size smaller than they normally wear to get that perfect fit. Number 3. TAC9ER Kevlar Lined Tactical Gloves. These Kevlar lined tactical gloves keep our hands warm in the cold while providing some form of self-defense. The TAC9ER offers the best level of protection with its tough Kevlar lining and toughened palm grip. The knuckles are made of hard plastic, but they do give some flex to make the gloves comfortable. I especially love the support and comfort that the neoprene wristbands bring. I like that they block the cold wind when riding the motorcycle. When I was hiking in rough terrain, I was impressed that the gloves held up well. The palm area is reinforced and double-stitched, so the construction is pretty sturdy. Also, the grip is excellent as I was able to hold on to any items, even the small ones. The capacitive touch is one of my favorites as it works well for my smartphone. I'm sure that the gloves are cut resistant because I tried cutting them with a culinary knife and it didn't pierce through. Additionally, the warranty is quite generous as free returns last for 30 days, while the regular warranty goes for about 5 years. However, the sizing chart is a bit inaccurate. I followed the sizing, but the gloves were smaller than I expected. To prevent this dilemma, shoppers should get a size bigger than what they normally wear. Number 4. Mechanics Wear Original Coyote Tactical Gloves. The Original Coyote Tactical Gloves offer lightweight protection and a secure fit to our wrists. This pair offers the perfect combination of durability and dexterity, ideal for using weapons and operating touchscreen devices. These military tactical gloves are made of a nice grip surface to hold my full-size 9mm. They fit nicely thanks to the limber thermal plastic rubber (TPR) closure. I especially like the Trectory material because it makes the gloves breathable, so my hands don't end up hot and sweaty. Surprisingly, this particular Mechanics Wear model feels warm in 30 degrees or colder weather. These gloves are made of 0.8mm synthetic leather, so they maintain high dexterity even when I work with my hands in the cold. Also, they feel durable and tough to withstand any weather. The best part is that these gloves are easy to clean in the washer. They're also convenient to store using the nylon web loop. More importantly, the price is great, considering the good quality I get with this pair. However, there's a lack of padding on the palm, but users get that as a compromise for high dexterity. Number 5. Heichmann Tactical Military Gloves. Heichmann offers the closest thing to waterproof tactical gloves. I'd say these military gloves are water resistant because they hold up well and don't retain water like some gloves do after soaking in the rain. These gloves have hard knuckles, providing extra protection from cuts and abrasions. Together with the reinforced palm and double stitching, I believe that this pair will last. Heichmann also provides a 3-month warranty to guarantee the quality of these gloves. I noticed that the gloves provide enough protection in the mild winter season. My hands also don't get easily sweaty even in hot weather, thanks to the functional vent design. When it comes to touchscreen sensitivity, these gloves are excellent as I can touch my phone without any problems. Holding items is pretty convenient as the synthetic leather palm provides a secure grip. The wrist strap goes around the wrist securely so that no cold air can get inside. For their price, these Heichmann gloves are quite unbeatable. However, the hard knuckles can feel a little uncomfortable, so I recommend putting some pads beneath them. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.